everyone, it's Robin. I'm going to do a quick water marble using Peacefully Me by Dazzle Dry as my base, 2 coats, and then I have some colors, a yellow, a green, a blue, and black. All whatever. And I'm just going to do one real quick because I haven't done a no water marble on anyone in a long time. And I want to try this new setup and see if I can get it in gear because this is a short nail. So this is water marbling for short nails. I have 1 coat of Dazzle Dry on and it's dry. And then this is my second. I'm using my wand. You can get at robinmosesnailart.com, the wand. And I'm going in with the pink. I wish that really did make that sound every time I started painting a nail.
Oh,
you want a liberal coat when you first start. I'm going to drop on yellow on one side, then I'm going to work to green, and this would be a great design for St. Patrick's Day, but you don't have to do it. This is any time of the year. And then I'm going to black, kind of ombreing from light to dark, but not really. You don't have to be specific. And then I'm just going to draw right through with lines. And I'm just going to pull the nail itself. Okay. I've pulled all the yellow. So I'm going to pull the yellow in again. And then just swirl it around. That. Okay, the hardest part is pushing and then pulling the excess polish down, pushing, pulling the excess polish off, and then pulling up and capping the nail so that at the end of it is painted. I'm going to do one more. Liberal, right here, nice and thick. This dries in 6 minutes or less, so you don't have to worry about this coat. Now you have to work fast. Doot, doot, doot. Green. Doot, doot. Blue. Doot. Oops. And black. Pull the blue off. Go back into black. Get that in. Never, ever, ever, like, worry. The worst thing that can happen is that you have to take it off and start over. So I'm showing you that you can save this nail. Okay. And then swirl it like that. And if you don't like it and you don't want to save it, you just wipe it off. Wipe your fingers off real quick. It's a little messy, so what? And if you learn how to do this technique, you will make lots of extra money because everybody loves it. You have to get your hands a little bit dirty with polish, but you are a nail tech, most of you. So anyway, okay, dot, 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 green, dot, blue. I'm gonna scrape that more so I don't grab too much. And then black. This black is ominous. Okay, now I'm going to swirl it through again. Okay, pull up and around, up and around. And you can just keep on messing with it until you have it exactly how you like it. And trust me when I say you can do this a million ways. So afterwards, I will go in with a hollow glitter or some kind of teal glitter and just highlight over the green and the blues in any place that I don't like or I have too much. Like this is a kind of a lot of yellow in one area, so I'm going to go through with a little tiny bit of a teal glitter, and then when I'm done I will show you the end result. Okay, and here is the end result. This is like a world. It looks like a globe and a world and all of everything all in one. It looks, okay, oh, I'll let you show off and show your thumbs. Here, there's what you can see. Okay. Isn't that pretty?
It's very earthy.
Yeah, so she got a new set today. And so we just did this because it just looks really pretty and clean. Anyways, please subscribe.
Can't get
What are we doing then?
Trying to
You have to do like this. It has to recalibrate.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'll learn.
Yay! So, anyways, this is all done with regular polish and top coated with Dazzle Dry top coat. If you know Dazzle Dry, please tell her that I'm making videos using her polish and I love her. And I will see you guys back with more. This will be in the No Water Marble playlist for short nails. Bye, everyone.
Bye.